In this video, I want to demonstrate how to start two more assembly configurations and then configure this part component, the first component of the assembly, to be in the proper configuration for each assembly configuration. First, I'll double-click on the Configuration Manager. I'll right-click on the assembly, select Add Configuration, and I'll name this first one PU60 and accept that. Again, I'll right-click on the Assembly 1 configuration, select Add Configuration, and I'll name this one PU70. So now with the PU70 configuration active, I want to use my PU70 part configuration. To do that, I'm going to go back to the Feature Manager, select the part, come over here, and make sure that this configuration only will be changed. I'll select the drop-down arrow and select the PU70 configuration and accept that. And I see my part updates. I'll go back to the Configuration Manager tree and double-click on it. I'll double-click on the PU60 configuration. And again, I'll come back to the Feature Manager design tree, select my part. I'll select the PU60 configuration, make sure only this configuration uses the PU60 part configuration. I'll accept that. I'll see my part rebuild, and then I'll just check that all three configurations rebuild and display the proper part configuration. They do, so I'll set it back to the default configuration, go back to my Feature Manager design tree, and continue on from there.